Hello friends, in this video I'm going to show you how to quickly and easily transplant peppers from a container into individual cups so that the root system of the peppers is not damaged, and after such a transplant they will quickly start growing. If you watched my previous videos, I told you that when sowing pepper seeds in a container you need to put a regular bag. Why is this necessary? Look how easy it is now to get all the peppers out of the container. I put the container away. I can very easily separate each plant from each other along with the clod of soil. The root system receives minimal damage during this transplantation. As for the cups, I will transplant them into half-liter cups, and it is imperative to make several holes in their bottom, at least 5 mm in diameter, so that excess moisture can escape from this cup very quickly and the root system does not rot. Also, as you can see, I took a large plastic container and put the cups in it. This is so that the excess moisture drains into this container and my shelf or windowsill is clean. At the bottom of each cup I pour a little soil, about 1 centimeter, level it and press it down. Then I separate the peppers, like this, with a lump of soil. The main thing you need to know is that we start transplanting pepper seedlings when they have 4 real leaves, 2 large and 2 small ones. We do not take this into account. These are cotyledonous leaves. At this stage, the root system is large enough to tolerate transplanting, but the roots have not yet begun to intertwine with other plants growing nearby. That is why you do not need to overexpose the seedlings in the container, because the damage to the root system will be extensive and the pepper will take a long time to take root in a separate cup. Now, we take the cup and simply put our pepper on the bottom. It remains to grow in its soil. Why did I pour so little soil? My seedlings were a little stretched and now I'm compensating for that. Also, if you have elongated seedlings, any kind of seedlings, peppers, tomatoes, eggplants, then plant them in cups with these cotyledon leaves. Now I add soil to the cup, press it down well and level the seedling itself. That's it, the seedlings are transplanted. Now, new small roots will appear all along the stem that remains buried in the soil. They take a little longer to appear than on tomatoes or eggplants, but they will appear and then all this soil will be filled with the root system. You can also put a little organic matter in the seedling cup at the bottom. For example, a teaspoon of dried and crushed banana peel. But because I transplant with a large clod of earth, I will then fertilize with liquid fertilizers. I will tell you about all this in the following videos. Now it is imperative to spill the soil under the seedling with water. My soil is dry and I spill all the seedlings until moisture comes out of the lower holes, which means that the entire soil is wet. And also, when you start transplanting seedlings, you need to water your seedlings at least 5 hours before transplanting. Not too much, but water them so that the clod of soil does not fall apart during transplantation. So friends, if you didn't put a bag in the container for seedlings this year, be sure to do it next year. As you can see, the seedlings are transplanted very easily, the root system is not injured, the seedlings take root very quickly and then grow vigorously. If you liked the video, be sure to like it, don't forget to share this video with your friends and subscribe to my channel so you don't miss the release of new videos. I wish you a good day and I'll see you in the next videos.